Right, so this session is about to open in 1 minute. I'm extremely bullish. I'm looking to take a buy trade from this area. This is the best area to take the buy trades from, but if we break below, there is nothing that can stop us until this area. So either I take a buy or I wait for the sellers to show strength by breaking below this level, and then I short the market once we get a small pop or a pullback back. So looking at the higher time frame volume profile perspective, we are seeing that this is the area of balance. We just blew past it. So I'm looking for a pullback into this. Buyers protect their position, take the market long. But if the sellers are strong, I will short below and target the next area of balance. Super easy pre-market plan. Of course, I've refined this to different supply and demand zones. So let's see what happens. What happens when the market opens? And now we just opened. So let's chill. Let's not do a lot of buying going on, but the market is not going higher. So this is pretty unusual. 550 of buying right here. Let's wait. It's not a good sign for buyers to get trapped. 565 plus 178. More buying than selling at this price point. Might even take a short from this level if we don't reach our buy level first, but yeah, it looks like we have reached it, so this short won't be as good. Okay. So the two buy areas that I want to take buy from. Buyers are coming in now. What happened here? Yeah, let's wait. A lot of buying going on currently, but market isn't lifting. Let's see what happens after the fact. If you look at the cumulative volume delta, look at all of this buying right here that is going on, but the market isn't lifting. This means that we do have a sell limit order absorbing all of them. And here we do see those buyers as well. Right here. This is 69.95 sell limit order. You can even see on the book map that we had someone selling a lot here right before the pre-market. So I've seen these orders before, someone coming in pre-market with a large order and then removing it when the market opens, but still the market can't lift on the open. So I've seen this before and taken trades 2 times based on this. But I'm in my buy zone, market is bullish, and I don't want to sell into a strong buyer. I want to buy with the buyer. Or if the sellers breaks the strong buyer, I know the strength of the sellers and go with them. So it is for the market to show me which side we want to trade with. So the chart to my left is the M1 with the big trades indicator. So it's basically showing me the same thing as a book map. And this one is a footprint. Yeah, look at this. A lot of buying going on at this top, but the market isn't going higher. Creating a D profile. Let market decide which side it wants to go. Let's go to M5. Let's tap this area. Obviously, I want the market to pull back a little bit deeper to this level, because at these lows is the strong buyers from yesterday's session. So I want the market to come to this level. It's bugging out, this one. Not very important. Let's go with electronic. Yeah, so we see 700 lots of buying going on right here, but the market isn't simply lifting. You can see the same information on M1 by taking a delta profile, setting this volume profile to delta. 931 contracts of buyers, but market isn't simply lifting, my friend. So with that being said, there is a sell limit order resting here. Can I short this? Nah. Don't have a good location for this. Check. Nah. I don't like this. I think the market will drop though, a little bit. A strong seller is inside of the market. Based on how I read price action, when a strong seller steps in when the market opens, there is a high likelihood that we should get a deeper retracement. So let's see if we can get that today. That would be, and with a deeper retracement, I mean that we should drop to this level yesterday. Price to come to here, this would be good. It's a very good buy zone. It's very hard to buy into the strong seller though, so let's see what happens. Yeah, this is a shit show. A lot of, look at this, 2k of buying, 52k of volume. The delta is 2k. We have 2k more buying inside of this candle than sellers. Market goes lower. So heavy sell limit order inside of the market. But I can't really short this though, because I'm in a buy zone. If this was happening up here, 100% I would short this. But this is telling me a strong seller is inside of the market. selling comes in. Looks good for a buy, but so a little bit of patience. Let's see what happens here. Let's try this. Let's try this. If we have to break above this guy quickly, don't reject. Have to break above quickly. Cannot fail here. Tapped my level perfectly. I have to check where I should take profit though. Cannot fail here. Take profit. Yeah, high of day. It looks good. Let's go slightly above. Looks good. Come on. Break above this level. Take profit, high of day. Great order for confirmation to long. This guy has to let us go. Shouldn't fail to break this level. CVD. If CVD will break this high, we will go higher. Do not like this rejection right here. Let's wait. This buyer has to let us go. So this is the trade I'm currently in, a 3R. But yeah, still a fight between buyers and sellers. Sell limit order, 1K now. Do not like this. This doesn't look super good. Let's wait. I'm in a buy zone with a buy confirmation. Very strong sell limit order, not letting price to go higher. But I'm chilling. I would gladly exit the trade if we come lower, and if you put in a higher low, I will re-enter, because that higher low thing is a confirmation that this buy zone is going to hold. And now buying comes in right now. Look at this. Should break above this high. Come on. Target previous daily high. And how does this look on the volume profile? Okay, we have until 7-9. Okay, that's a good take profit. Yes, let's go there. That's a good take profit. So on the profile, I'm targeting this peak right here. Don't think it will stop price if we go there, but I have to have some kind of a target. Let me see if I'm recording. Yeah, this peak right here, up top right here, will not stop price, but this is good. CBD, let's go. Amigo, ¿qué pasa? So we have 19k of volume inside of this footprint. A lot more buying than selling. So this buying has to sustain. This sell limit order has to give up. And also this sell limit order can be someone taking profit at these highs, because we are very close to all-time highs. And as soon as he's done taking profit, market will rally. So it doesn't need to be a true seller. It can be someone taking profit as well. This is good. A lot of selling coming in, but candle goes higher. This is perfect. I love to see this. I love this. But yeah, we should go higher, not come lower. If you get a big bubble like this and immediately candle goes higher, that is a very good sign. Yes, tap that. Okay, perfect. Aligning yourself like this is the VPOC of the high volume node of this balance phase. We tap that on the tick, going higher. Let me show you that right here. You see this high volume node. This is the VPOC of it. Tapped it on the tick. Confirmed. Beautiful confirmation. Trapped sellers. Strong buying comes in. Pulls back. Pullback was holding. Only thing that we do have a very strong passive seller here. So I took the trade, knowing that if we come lower, I have to cut with a small loss. But it is I'm aligning myself with the strongest buyer. Like if you look at this price, a seller won't sell at these lows, right? If there isn't some major news that we don't know about, like world news or something. Sellers are selling at highs. Buyers are buying at lows. With them, volume profile is showing us where they are positioned. And it would be super good if I got this 3-hour trade, because I don't have a lot of time to trade today. But market doesn't care about what I have and don't have. Sometimes I have to sit here for 3, 4, 5 hours. But of course I don't just watch this chart all the time and mark my levels, put alerts and do other stuff. I really like that we broke out of this buyer and we are taking support on him. But what's the volume of this? So we have one roadblock, and it's this one, not a huge one. I think it will get devoured, but this one can just create a small little pullback. And that small little pullback, where can it go to? Let's go to current days SVP. This one is bugging for me. Current sessions volume profile. Nah, it's bugging for me. I have to do the manual one. Let's go session volume profile with value. Okay, let's go with this. So this one can create a pullback to this level, go higher. If it even does so. Strong buying comes in. Look at the CVD mooning. Let's go, amigo. So the trade is up 1.5 hour. Right here. This is where the buyers failed pre-market, and if we look at these highs, someone was selling them. But yeah, what happens pre-market is not. Let's see, now this can't, or doesn't matter if it fails. I'm in for a pullback, who cares? I'm aligning myself contextually with the higher time frame buyers. I know where they are positioned. I marked it with a yellow line. We got a confirmation at that specific zone, took the buy trade. So this is how you plan your trades and trade your plans. AKA motivation, motivational speaker. See, exactly where we could find some kind of a struggle, tapped into it. We have currently the buyers failed to lift the auction higher. But I don't think this is a huge fight. Like this is, boop, we will break it. Yeah. Let's go, right? That's the trade. Let's go CVD. Strong buying comes in. Yeah, someone in my Discord also longed. Where? Oh, 96. He longed 96, I longed 93. Let's go. Almost take profit. To be honest, we are reaching the high of day, so this is a very significant level. So with that being said, we have to get a quick whew. So let's go M30. I'm targeting this high of day, so let me mark this out as well. The yellow one. Yeah, this one is I'm going to break even. So with that being said, we haven't broken out of, yes, we do have broken out of high of day, but not the previous daily high. And this is a previous daily high right here. Oh, Want me to break out of this with our very strong sellers, but yeah, these sellers are failing. Then there we go to the targets. Let's go M1. Previous daily high taken. We need a squeeze. I might get out of the trade if I see some. The target is, to be honest, reach. I just wanted a 3 point something or 3.3R. I'm up 3R, so just having it at a poop. Need to blow on it a little bit. Come on. Yeah, closing it very soon. Yeah, come on, you push, and I'm out. I reach target. I'm just holding it a little bit more to see if I can squeeze one more thing out of the trade. Poof, come on. Not yet. Now we should get one of those. Come on. Moving my take profit a little bit higher. I'm closing manually very soon because we can get a squeeze above the previous daily high or a fail. To me, squeeze is much better. Shouldn't go below the area when we have 132 of buyers. Right here. Shouldn't go below this area. I'm closing it then. You can clearly see on the footprint that we have very strong buyers here as well. It'd be lovely if someone just bought 100 lots right now. So my take profit is hit, so I'm just waiting to see if we can get a small squeeze as well. So instead of me taking profit at 3.2-ish R, I can like have 3.7, so it doesn't mean a lot, but or I can get a 2.8, so my finger is on close trade, waiting, removing this. This is right above the previous daily high. To be honest, we are failing a lot, and I don't like that. The squeeze should happen a little quicker. See a lot of buying going on at this high. Look at the footprint. We have 21k of volume. Okay, let's maybe shut it down. Okay, I'm shutting it down. So that was 2.8 hour trade. 2.8 hour trade. Yeah, we have something resting here. I don't like literally. I don't think that strong selling coming in right now. I don't think that we are like you should drop right now and melt. Never know, but I don't think that. What I was doing is trying to get, instead of 3.2R, I was trying to get like 3.5. But sometimes it can fail and you get like 2.8, but it doesn't matter. This way, there's a lot of times where I got like that poof, because above these levels people can get squeezed and we can get a quick rally to the upside, but this quick rally can go quickly to the upside and then come down, so you have to be very sharp to close it as soon as the market rallies. So this looks actually very good for the buyers. We have a lot of sellers coming in right here, but they're not managing. But yeah, let's see. I will call it a day. This was a 30-minute trading session. Called out everything perfectly. Let me break down the analysis once again. So we were bullish Strong buyers came in from this area yesterday. I marked out where they were present. This was an 8-hour demand area refined to a lower time frame, and inside of that I used the volume profile to see exactly where the intraday players were positioned, and I combined it. Look at, see, something is happening right now. We are seeing big trades coming in, but who cares? I'm out of the trade. Yeah, strong selling comes in right now. Okay, either way, I align myself with the strong buyers, but also looking at the higher time frame profile. This is actually the yellow line that we took the trade from, is where the most buyers were positioned inside of this high volume node. So with that being said, yeah, look at this 1K of selling. If this fails now, it's very bad. But yeah, I don't like to see 1K of sellers exactly when we go above previous daily high. That's not a very rewarding thing to see. I would 100% close it right here. 100% I would close it right here. And I'm not saying that I don't want to be in the market when so much sellers are coming in. I'm not saying that this is like a good sign of the sellers that they are selling so much and market isn't going lower. But I'm saying that if I'm so like I took my profit already, I don't want to see what happens right here. I don't want the decision to be made. If we go up, we will like quickly move up. If we go down, we will quickly move down. So I don't want to be in that. I'm already taking my trade. I'm done for the day. It's very good. So let's call it today. 30-minute trading sessions. I hope you learned something. And if you really liked this type of videos, make sure to comment. Make sure to subscribe. Yeah, this looks good. Very good for the buyers. Super duper good. Now we will look at this. Let's look at the Either way, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and also check the link in the description because I have a free school community where I will teach you all of this 100% for free. So see you in the school community.